Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel, where we teach you the ins and outs of trading the markets to make you a better trader. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below so you get notified when we post another video. And last but not least, if you're interested in some of the custom studies that we use in our videos for Think or Swim on the channel, I dropped a link in the description where you can go and check those out if you like. In this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into another bullish continuation chart pattern, the bullish rectangle. Let's go.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Okay guys, the bullish rectangle, not to be confused with the bullish flag. This one we're going to have only really 3 different components here. Now I could break it down into 5 like the other one, but I'm not going to do that. This is only going to be 3, okay? So, component number 1. This one is going to likely be in a strong uptrend, okay? Because we're looking for it to move up more off of the first initial move up, okay? So it's probably going to be in a strong bullish uptrend. Component number 2, we're going to get a tight consolidation that forms a rectangle, okay? So our highs are going to be in similar height, coming in at this similar level on the upside, and our lows are going to be coming in at a similar level on the downside at the bottom of the rectangle, okay, forming this symmetrical rectangle shape. Okay, and then component number 3 is that price is eventually going to move up and break out above that upper trend line to continue the move up. Okay, so we get this move up, we get this pause where it consolidates, goes sideways a little bit, and then keeps going. All right, so let's see if we can find one of these in the charts. All right, so we've got somewhat of a bullish rectangle right here, guys. Okay, so we've got this move up, strong move up here, and then we get the box. This is kind of what we're talking about when we talk about a bullish rectangle. It moves up, and you kind of get this chop back and forth where it forms this box pattern, and then eventually it moves on up. Okay, let's see if we can find another one. All right, here we go. Here's another one. We got the move up, and then we form this nice little bullish rectangle pattern where it just kind of moves sideways, and then you eventually get the breakout to the upside. So you get the move up, tight consolidation, just sideways, and then the move up. All right, guys, so that was the deep dive on the bullish rectangle continuation chart pattern. Once again, if you like this video, go ahead and leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get notified when we post another video, and leave me a comment down below. Do you trade these bullish rectangle chart patterns? Maybe you should. And if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and check the description below for a link to the free PDF of the classic chart patterns that we've built for you here. It's our free gift to you. You can download that, have it by your side while you're trading. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.